going
For
through
a
all.
few days, we had to live in a hut. What is it doing, bro? It feels odd to say that. We never say that, right? I was on my period. I was under the influence of Red Sea, Red Niagara Falls. But she's koncham intimidating. Hey softies, welcome to Between Us.
This is DSY.
I'm Sanu.
So, how are you guys doing?
Are you all good? Are you all hydrated? First
Also,
of
did
all,
you enjoy the last episode we posted? What did we post in this?
med versus law. So while she's looking for tongue twisters, I'm gonna tell you about today's topic. Well, basically, the thing is, we've shifted 3 times in this year. After my 10th,
Last year, actually, not this year, as in not
yeah, 2025.
2026.
This is
We should,
2026. Oh my
yeah, we should
gosh.
2020. We thought of sharing that story with you
Yeah,
all
because it was such an experience and we learned a lot.
my tongue twister is around the rugged rocks, the ragged rascal ran
Around the rugged rocks, the ragged rascal ran.
fast.
Am I right?
Yes.
Can you repeat it again?
Around the rugged rocks, the ragged rascal ran.
Around the rugged rocks, the ragged rascal ran. Around the rugged rocks, the ragged rascal ran.
Ragged rascal.
Around the rugged rocks, the rascal the rascal That's it. I'm done. Cheen tapak dum dum. Yeah. If a dog choose shoes, whose shoes does he choose?
If a dog choose shoes, whose shoes does she choose?
Does he?
If a dog choose shoes, whose shoes does he choose? If a dog choose shoes, whose shoes does he choose?
He'll choose her shoes. How was Durender 2, guys? Did you watch the movie? We didn't
It
watch
was
it
a
ourselves.
blockbuster hit. I
Yeah.
didn't even watch Dhurandhar 1. And
I
people
did.
are a little shocked. Like, you didn't watch Dhurandhar 1?
She
We
literally lives under
started.
the rock, Ray.
Why?
You don't watch any of the trending stuff. I think I don't know. Like you're not as Gen Z as I am. You're not as updated about things as I am. I don't know. I feel like that.
I
Such a
don't care
boring
about
life.
that, those, trendy stuff. I am who I am.
Do you know this? Clock it.
No.
I think we should do an episode on this Gen Z versus
No, I saw
almost like a
this in some
millennial.
reels, but I don't know why they use it. But instead
Basically,
of clapping, they are doing this.
no, not to clap, like to call out something, to emphasize on something. They're like clock it.
With one finger or two fingers?
You can do either, like middle finger or your index finger.
What does it mean?
To call out something. Like if you've said something iconic, I'm like, clock it, girl. Like that.
What?
If you said something iconic, I could be like, clock it, girl, clock it.
Do
Gen
you
Z stuff.
actually think these kind of stuff makes sense? Like, what's clock it?
We Gen Z people, we come up with random stuff and then we'll make it a trend.
They think that they are making sense, but at least for me, it doesn't make any sense.
Even we know it doesn't make sense. So
last year around this time, not around this time,
January, I guess, yeah.
Out of nowhere, we have decided to
Shift to Hyderabad.
We as in, she doesn't help much, so let's forget her.
Excuse me, I was busy with boards. It was not my fault. Okay.
So we, me, mom, dad, even her sometimes, we started searching for a house to live here, and I was, going
For
through
a few days, we had to live in a hut with no shelter.
Yeah,
They were
we
looking for
were
the house,
searching
yeah.
for a house. I went through all those broker apps, and I think it took us
Almost
2 to 3 weeks to find a house. And my dad was calling so many people, but end of the day, we got a house, and we selected that. We decided that we are gonna stay there. I think 2 days or 3 days before we shift, we were supposed to shift, and then the day before shifting to Hyderabad, we started packing. We were so confused, like what to pack and everything, but we packed our clothes.
while I was busy with school, they packed off everything. I think the younger daughters, they are not informed about anything that's happening in the house. Okay, they are like, आज जा रहे हम, चल हमारे साथ आ बस. Why is it like that?
How are you all?
Will you continue?
It feels like we are hosting a show, you know.
Yeah.
Welcome to the show.
We are the host, we are the audience, we are the, what do you say, guest, we are the
Okay,
everything.
so we packed our clothes and the basic necessities, and next day we sorted them out in two cars and started driving to Hyderabad. So in one day, just in one day, we, not us, but our dad bought electronics and everything was shifted into the house in one night.
I remember this one particular moment. We just came to this place and we didn't have any water. We already traveled a lot. Mom and dad were busy buying electronics and other stuff. So,
Like we came first to the house.
me and my cousin.
Yeah,
I mean, us and our cousin.
we came first and we thought of cleaning the house because
Yeah.
it was so dirty. Do you remember the kitchen?
Yeah.
The platform and all?
Well, let's give that dirty. Yeah.
We have to scrape out that,
All that
I don't know
rusty
what,
parts.
yeah,
I don't
what
know.
those stains are, but we have to scrape out that night. And you are saying some story.
Yeah, so we didn't have water, and I was on my period. I was under the influence of Red Sea, Red Niagara Falls, and we badly needed water. So already I'm a very awkward and embarrassed person in front of strangers. And this little lady beside me, she wanted water, but she won't ask. So she
Because
sent me there.
I'm,
What, Queen of
I-
England, huh?
No, I have more anxiety than you,
Well,
and
that's
I'm more awkward.
Well, where I am embarrassed, she is like socially anxious only.
I'm not very good with aunties and uncles, I get scared.
That just
what
makes
if
me feel like
they-
I am an auntie. Yeah, but yeah, younger daughters, they are good with like talking with elders.
No, she's
mostly.
not, guys.
I am good with like I can make like good
Okay.
conversations and I can
Next
make them
time
laugh.
when we attend a function or something, I'll record a video where she stands behind me and pokes me like this to talk with the person.
when it's
And whenever they ask a question, she turns to me like this, like I'm an answer bank, and she wants answer from me. She
See.
does that when she is with me, or if dad's there, he takes care of everything.
Obviously.
If he is not, and if he is not responding to her, she'll turn to me. First, she'll look at that, and then the next second, she'll look at me. 3 or 2
Can I
o'clock.
please complete my water thing?
Yeah, water.
So I had to approach our neighbor who was living in front of us, and she was a kind lady. Her daughter became my friend after that. But she's koncham intimidating. I hope she doesn't watch this. So yeah, I had to ask her water. She gave us a bottle of water, and then me, mom, dad, we went to the Metro wholesale store to get some like
I
groceries.
don't know
and
why
stuff.
this person who is living
upstairs. Why are
is-
they banging on the floor, Ray? What is wrong with you?
Can you guys hear it?
If you can, please just ignore it, okay? There's no way we can avoid it. So me, mom, dad, we went to Metro wholesale store to buy some groceries. And my mom, she's such a what do you say, shopping enthusiast? Whatever. She is like so obsessed with shopping. Whenever you take
Like
her,
she gets lost in the aisle and we have to
Yeah.
find her. Like a
and
little
Metro
child.
is like a 5 kilometer store, okay? I don't know if 5 kilometer
Really?
must be less, I guess. I
radius
don't
or
know the
diameter.
distance.
Okay, something.
And I had to walk so much that day. Already we traveled a lot, and then we were shifting things ऊपर से नीचे, नीचे से ऊपर. And then I was supposed to bring all that stuff. Then I was standing at the billing counter. My mom and dad, they were like chilling. हाँ ये खरीदना ये खरीदना. They were just ordering around, and I was supposed to bring all that stuff, put it in the cart.
And by
Then
the
take it to the
time they
billing
have come
code.
home, I think it's
It was
around
10, I guess.
10 or 11 something, and we all had dinner, delivery food, and then we worked on cleaning the whole
my
house till
God.
1 or 2 o'clock.
That
And the
was
next
such
morning, I woke
tiring
up around
work.
6 to 7.
I
and
slept off. I didn't wake up the next day.
Did puja and everything. A little housewarming ceremony kind of thing. Yeah. But it was tough for me after that because
We kept it very low key because
Yeah.
it
It's a
was just
rental
rented
house,
place, so
basically.
we didn't want to
But
make it
after
grand.
that, we also have shifted to two more houses, and this is the
This is
third
a
one. And
no, that doesn't make. This is the second one. After that house, this is the second one. No.
the next week, it was kind of exciting, like, organizing everything, and people were visiting us. Not everyone, but only two to three people.
Not like Shah Rukh Khan, Amir Khan ki, but yeah.
Yeah, two to three people
Why
visited
would they
us,
come to our
and
place
our
anyway?
aunt stayed with us. So that was a fun week. But after that, out of
Who stayed?
nowhere, so next week, after that week, everyone left to our hometown.
Including me.
And I was the only one who stayed here because I had college, and I started feeling like I was back in hostel, living
Depressed.
all by
No.
myself, and cooking was hard for me because
It's still hard for you, Ray.
I don't like cooking. I'm not that patient
cooking, yeah.
person. I am very impatient. I don't, you know, I hate waiting for the
Dish to be made.
because
It won't like
see,
pop out of the stove like randomly, right? You have to do something.
what
you
I
have to
do
put in the
is,
effort.
well, on high flame, because I feel like if it's on high flame, it will cook faster, and then of course it won't. It will burn at the end of the day, and it had happened so many times. Also, before I never in my life cooked, but to feed myself, I was the only one who has to cook. I can't order food every day, so it was tough for me, and
What is it doing, bro?
also waking up 2 hours early to travel to drive all the way from here to my college, that is 10 to 12 kilometers. And Hyderabad traffic, like, I have never driven a car or even a bike in this in Hyderabad. So it's different from our hometown, and I was so scared. I got into this fight with a auto guy, and he shouted at me in a very rude manner. He used all those bad words. I literally cried in my parking lot that day. And I remember calling my best friend and crying at least for 20 to 30 minutes in the parking lot of our college, S- just narrating the whole story, like what happened. And the next day, she took a flight and came to meet me. But it was a horrible story. Even when I crossed that junction, I still remember that instant, and there is this a little panic that I feel that anxiety whenever I cross that junction till date. I don't know why. At the beginning, of course, everything was difficult because we felt like we are some strangers. We are
Outsiders.
outsiders who are living in some other person's place. And I don't know why this guy is banging something. It's so loud. What was
So
your experience?
after my boards, I came here, and then I think at that time I used to live with her and our cousin. We were just three girls.
No, at the beginning she didn't come. After some time she came.
Maybe. I don't remember the exact
Okay, after your
details.
boards, as in, yeah, I think it's been 2 to 3 months.
And a lot of stuff happened after my boards while I was in that place, which were traumatizing. And then after that, my college started. Not like totally, what do you say, not all the classes, it was just bridge course. My college also, choosing my college was such a traumatic experience. My parents were like, join Sri
Also, at
Chaitanya,
that
join
time, I felt like an
Narayana.
adult, guys, because
She was talking for me, yeah.
yeah, I contacted some colleges, and I went in person to talk with who is in charge, someone I have talked
But this
about
college that I'm
admission,
going to, I talked on
admission,
my
and
own.
even no,
I did, yeah.
I
I
went
remember.
with dad, if I'm not wrong.
No. To call that person, like before everything started, I found it on
But
online and then I called.
we were the ones who did that stuff. After selecting the college, my dad came,
Yeah.
talked, and the fees and everything was settled by him.
Obviously.
But searching and at least, researching about what the college is and going in and talking in person was done by us and our mom, actually.
So yeah, my bridge course started. It was hard for me to make friends because I wasn't used to making friends. I had the same set of friends for 10 years. I lived in the same school, the same place for a decade, at least. I mean, like from my birth, obviously. But yeah, so I had the same set of friends. I never had to go out of my way to, approach someone and be like, hey, let's be friends. Are you trying to be a gentlewoman? But yeah, I did make very good friends, I'll say that. But it took a lot of time. It took a lot of time for me to adjust to the kind of people here, to the teachers, to adapt to the new environment, and it felt very scary because I was very much in a comfort zone back in our hometown, and I always felt like, I didn't have to do anything out of my way. Like, it was just a routine, and it was very a normal routine. Like, I don't know, like it just felt scary here. Maybe because this felt very new to me. This felt very not exciting, but a little scary. I don't know why it felt scary. Maybe because of the big city or whatever,
Yeah,
or maybe
because
because of the expectations I made up. Because when I said we are shifting to Hyderabad, it was solely because of me that my family agreed to shift to Hyderabad. I was the one who fought with my parents that I don't want to go to hostel, I can't live in hostel. And I came up, I think we both came up with the idea that we want to shift to Hyderabad.
I didn't.
I don't know, I don't remember who did. I think it was my mom or something. But who, okay, fine.
So I think it's the expectation that we thought it is a city, a big city, and also
It
we thought
scared us a
of
lot.
it in a very high position, and we got scared. We thought people are different here. Maybe they think that we are from village or something.
We are
Even
not from
sometimes,
village, but yeah.
no, generally people think like that. No,
Yeah.
if you are
Like
from,
we were afraid we won't be able to fit in.
Hmm.
But yeah, we did end up surviving.
Also the struggle was my parents, as in dad wasn't there in every situation. We had to
Deal with things on our own. We were used to like dad, like being in front of us and handling things for us. We were used to that. Coming here, we realized that we three, like as in me, her, and mom, we started handling things on our own, like the shifting. We did a lot of things on our own, and yeah, I think I'm pretty proud of that. I'm pretty proud of mom actually, because I thought she would be scared like doing things on her own and stuff, traveling here and there almost every week, letting us live alone. All of that, it takes a lot of courage because we are not used to this stuff.
also
So
we guys will go to college daily and we won't be here most of the day, but
yeah, my mom stays alone here.
yeah, and she doesn't have a family. Like she can't visit her parents house or her sister's house. She can't do that here in
Back in
our
hometown, she could just go
hometown.
like to her sister's place or something, or to her
Yeah, she can
mother's
do
place.
that. Now here she have to book a rapido and she doesn't know about that, and we have to be there. Also she doesn't know all the directions, and it's
Now she
a
knows, I
huge
guess. She's used to it
city,
now.
and you can't find a
It's
place,
not like
guys,
we
without
knew
Google
a
Maps.
lot more than her. It's just that वो हमसे थोड़ा कम जानती थी. I could say that.
Also, even though it was a bit of a struggle, but I think the process of whole shifting has changed so much. As a family, we grew much stronger, and now we have a very good bond. Even like we can sit and talk about everything now, and we spend a very
We spent a
quality
lot of
time with
time.
each
Yeah, I
other.
love that time.
And yeah, so I think end of the story is that we have to go through some journeys to know what's the ending is. And even though starting is a bit of struggle, starting you feel like giving up, even we did. We have thought so many times to go back to
We
our
fought a lot
hometown.
with our parents because we were
Still
confused.
there
They were
are some
confused.
fights, where we all, like,
We are
everyone is
all
suffering.
confused. Like we don't know what to do. We don't know how to solve it. We are all suffering. She's suffering traveling back and forth from college and here. My mom and dad are suffering traveling from hometown to here.
Every week.
I am suffering. I think I am.
Yeah, she's suffering, guys.
Yeah.
I feel like everyone is having their own battles, but when we are together,
It's easier.
it doesn't feel like that because, as I said, we are in a battle together and we aren't alone in that. So, yeah, we want to say that if you are going through some hardship, if you're going through a tough journey, just give it your best and leave the rest.
You'll survive.
Yeah, you will definitely survive, and you will definitely surpass that phase. And end of the day, I hope you'll definitely succeed in that. And even though the outcome isn't what you expected, but I think it's the best for you.
Like it'll get you in a position better than before, and I don't think you'll be left with regrets when you start scary.
Yeah.
That was a good line.
I
We
hope.
just wanted to share our journey from making a house feel like home.
I hope you like this episode, and also I hope you found something,
Relatable,
yeah,
meaningful,
and
lovable. But
okay.
yeah, if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It feels odd to say that. We never say that, right? I don't think we ever say subscribe to our channel.
We'll meet you guys in
Now that
another
guy in the
one.
upstairs
Now he
stopped
stopped
banging. Yeah,
banging.
such an idiot he is. He or she. We shouldn't generalize. But yeah, that was it for today's episode. We hope you liked it. Softly, so I can
Bye,
say be soft.
softies.
Be soft.
I can't do another heart because I have a mic.
Okay, bye softies. Bye softies.